We are grateful in this instance to the governments and the peoples of Zambia and Zimbabwe.
Yeah, the President of Republic of South Africa, Cyril Ramaphosa, has thanked the Zambian people and the Zambian people for the help they did during the struggles when South Africa was struggling to get independence.
As we welcome these patriots back home, we owe our everlasting gratitude to the countries that offered these freedom fighters shelter, that offered them support, and in the end, a fitting resting place. We are grateful in this instance to the governments and the peoples of Zambia and Zimbabwe for having taken great care of our compatriots and for enabling their remains to be repatriated. We say thank you. Like other countries on our continent and in other parts of the world, they stood along us in our struggle for freedom. They hosted our freedom fighters at the frontline states. They provided material assistance and support. These countries dedicated themselves to our cause. Our cause became their cause, often at a great cost to themselves and to their people.